Alright everybody, so we got a quick unboxing to do for an electronic item I got from Amazon. It's basically I'm going to be using it as a horn switch. It's a Momentary switch with a LED halo in the front of it. So please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Alright, so I'm going to open one of these. Oh, well, that light died. Alright, so we're going to open one of these. We're not going to open both. They're both basically the same item. This is what they look like. So on the back it says 10 amp stainless steel switch, item number GQ22AF-11E-RED-12T. So these are install size is 22 millimeter, action type momentary, lamp voltage 12 volt, AC DC, lamp red ring LED. So it's Greg, Quinn, 22 Alpha, Frank, 11 Edward, Roger, Edward, David, 12 Tony. That's the number on it. So both of these should be red. Red lamp, yep. We're going to be doing a separate video on these exact same switches. I picked up two blue. Figured it wouldn't hurt to have extras. I do like how nicely packaged they are. Comes with a 6-prong harness. Basically a 6-prong pigtail that you can use on the switch, which is very nice, so you don't have to just put connections on the switch itself. You can just plug it in and just wire these to where they need to go. It does have a silicone style gasket right here. Right there. I did check to make sure of what size they were compared to these little guys, which are very small. But I can check these on it because I didn't do it on the last video. These are 5 post switches. Make sure it's at 0. These are 15 millimeter switches. 15.84, almost 16 millimeter. So the outer diameter of the button housing is 17 millimeter. This guy is on the threads 21.78 millimeters. The outer button housing where you push the button is 24.74 millimeters. The nut threads really nicely. It's a very nice, well-made switch. I do like the harness. I think the harness has got, I don't know, what, 4 or 5 inches worth of pigtail on it. It's got 6 inches of pigtail, which is not bad. You can only clip these on one way. Only one side has the hook compared to this side. So you can't screw up the harness by plugging it in on the wrong side, which is nice. It's nice and tight. I think they're very well made switches for the, I think the $14 or something I paid per switch. Let me see. Yeah, they were $15.59. They are labeled as all new design 10 amp 22 millimeter momentary push button switch with a 12 volt angel eye LED waterproof stainless steel round self reset 7/8 inch 10 amp red LED. And then I also grabbed the exact same switch but in the blue LED. I grabbed 2 red and 2 blue. I figured it's not going to hurt to have extras. And for $15.59, I didn't think it was a bad deal. It's made by Apili stainless steel. So the brand is Apili. Mounting cut holes, 22 millimeter or 7/8 inch hole. Operations momentary. Structure is a 1 NO and 1 NC. Switch rating is 12 amps, 12 volt AC DC. LED pattern, ring indicator, contact material, silver alloy, protection degree, IP65 rated, 200,000 time electrical working life. They look exactly like they on the photo. Here's the photo. Here's the switch. So item is as described. It does not say Apili on the side of the switch though. Side of the switch it says YLAA YJGQ22A 12VR for red. So it indicates it is red. GQ22AF GQ22A So the information is actually pretty accurate to the packaging information. It does say Apili on the packaging, so that is nice to know. I'm not going to unbox the other one. I'm actually going to put this one back in the bag for now until I get the horns and everything I need. They haven't showed up from Walmart yet because I ordered them online. I've been waiting for them for like 3.5 weeks now. It also has a little booklet in here. Power switch device. So 1 and 2 means NC, 3 and 4 means NO. LED light always on, turn on, push button switch, device on, turn off, push button switch, device off. So this is a little diagram. You would do item description 2, which would be power, to 3, and this top post, and then device. Negative power would be to this post as well as the bottom of the bulb and this one. So we'll go over it when I wired it up. It does come with a little instruction packet. Can't talk today for some reason. So both of these are red. I appreciate you guys watching. Please like, comment, subscribe. Hit the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.